All right, it's Travel Trailer Tuesday here at Colton RV. I'm Matt Smith. We're going to go through this 2020 Lacrosse. This is a 3311RK for rear kitchen. What you're going to find on this one is it's 37 feet total length, 37 feet 7 inches total length, and it is 11 foot 3 inches tall to the AC. And then the dry weight of this is 8,135 pounds. I apologize, we're right next to Niagara Falls Boulevard here, so we got our traffic picking up. You can tell things are starting to open. We got more traffic. Campgrounds are open. It's an exciting time. My campground's opening this weekend, so we can go camping. On this, you got the aerodynamic front end with the full fiberglass front end, and then the diamond plate shield on this for rock chips and everything else. The front of this is 2 20-pound tanks on this propane, but it's got a 30-pound container, so you can upgrade real easily if you want to upgrade to 30-pound. You have a power tongue jack on this, and I just want to kind of show over here, this also has power stabilizers. So you look in the compartment here, which is a fully enclosed compartment. It's got the thick insulation on the door, slam latch door. Takes us and upgrades everything in here. It's great. Over here, I want you to station here, which has an outdoor shower, hot and cold water, your fresh water connection, and your fresh tank, fill tank here. You also have city water connect or city cable. If they have a cable line at your campground, or if you want to do a satellite. And then there's actually a little plug here. You pull this out, and you run everything through this hole right here. That way you can close and lock this door and everything's secure when you're out camping. You'll notice this one has a slide in the bedroom. So this is going to be nice because you're going to get a nice big king-size bed in this, and it slides out. So when we get in that bedroom, you're going to see how big that bedroom really is. A couple other key features on the roof. The roof is actually got a 12-year warranty on it. One-piece TPO roofing. 3/8 decking on it, so it's gonna withstand. You can almost have a party up there. I don't recommend it, because you know how all the campers, we tend to have a little bit too many, so don't go up on the roof if you don't have to. Here's storage. This is underneath the bed, which gives you a little more access to some more extra storage. So you can see the power cables in here. And again, magnets hold everything up. Slam latch doors. It is also going to be insulated, so that won't get cold underneath your bed. Furnace exterior vent here, so it's on the opposite side of the camper. So you're going to stay away from the kids and everything else if they're playing around. This is a safe spot for it to be. This is fiberglass aluminum framing on this. And it also has R11 insulation on the sidewalls, so it's got a cold weather package, which we'll talk a little bit more as we go in. And then again, this is going to have 3 slides on it. So you got the bed slide, this is your main slide on the one side, and you'll notice the slide on the other. It's got the SwinTech slide system on them, very reliable. Tighten it up a little bit better, so it's less likely for you to skip gears on them now. As you go around, you'll see dump station over here. You got a sewer connection over here, and this is the power outlet on this. It's a 50 amp service. 2 ACs you need to be able to have that 50 amp service on it. And then your hot water tank. You'll notice that this one is 6 gallon. So it's 6 gallon electric and propane. What that does is you can run both, get the quick recovery, so you could take back-to-back showers if you really wanted to on this. As you go around the back, you notice that this is going to have backup camera prep on it, so it's nice, easy. Hook up a camera. Most people don't realize, I've said this a couple times, for that camera to work, you have to have your parking lights on, at least your running lights. so that way it powers off of those lights up there. If you don't turn them on, you'll notice your camera won't connect in the truck, and you'll be asking questions. Why isn't my camera working? We'll turn your headlights on, and then it'll start working. As you go back here, now you had that button for the front stabilizer. Here's the back one. So you can actually stand right next to it as it comes down, hit that extend button, and puts the stabilizers down back here. It's convenient so that way you can see it go down, and make sure that if you want to put blocks under it, you can adjust it as you go and keep the... Go back over to the front here. It's bonded aluminum structure on this. It's also got the extended season on it, so you can cold weather camp. What it does is actually forcing air into your basement area, which is insulated just like the rest of it, and it keeps your tanks warm as you're using your furnace. Also has the nice solid steps on this, nice easy pick up and down. You got your screen and your door, LED lights in your awning, outdoor speakers, and with this awning, it's power awning. I'll stay right there. I'm going to run it all the way out. A lot of people ask how far does this go out? About 7, almost 8 foot. Gives you nice structure cover. And as that flap comes down, you know you're out all the way. To pitch these, all you gotta do is you loosen these up. Sorry, as I struggle a little. And then pull it down. And then you tighten it, and you can tell, stay back for a second, and you can show, watch the bush there. You can tell that you can pitch the awning any which direction to do the rain runoff. So, or if the sun's right in front of you, you pitch it down, you get more shade to your door. And all you have to do is loosen that back up, and it goes back out. 30-pound shock on it. So if there's a lot of rain that goes up there, and it gets about 30, it will. That way, the awning away from the... Over here, TV mount. So you have TV hookups outside. You got the plugs, and you got actually the outlet for the cable. And you can hang a TV here. That way, it's underneath the awning, protected, and you can watch TV outside. If Bill, Bob, you want to come and shut the door so it's a little bit quieter in here? All right. Get rid of some of that road noise. So in here you got couches, but this one has theater seating. Great for relaxing, being able to watch TV right now. Pull out couch here, which will pull out. And I'm going to kind of demo it for you. I don't do a lot of demos lately, so I want to make sure everybody can see how everything works. So nice, easy pull out. Still wrapped in plastic, fresh smell. So on this, you also have a little headrest, comfortable, right across from the TV. Relax at night. If you got some guests, they can watch some TV before they fall asleep. And it folds right back in, just like a residential couch. And put the seats back. That's how easy this is with these couches now. On the slide, so you see this is just a couch slide on this one. So it goes out. You got big windows all the way around. Nice, easy open for airflow. And then you got cross windows too. And over there, you got a lot of windows. So you can be able to keep this camper nice and cool and not have to use the AC all the time. 3 individual LED lights now. So you can see all your LED lights will run. You can run for a couple days on that without having to worry about the battery. Solid surface is you got the granite counters, stainless steel sink in this one, and it's deep. Nice deep sink. And then nice little glass, plexiglass in the front for decorative. Easy open. I'm going to stand to the side and let you show all these drawers here too. You got easy open drawers. Nice sink. that goes in pretty deep too in the corner. And then you got more underneath the stove, or the stove top. You'll notice there's no oven in this one. What you do get though is a convection oven, which gives you plenty of room to actually, if you wanted to bake in them. This one hasn't been used yet, so you'll see it's all got the racks and everything in them. And then you got your Furrion professional grade stovetop on this. And this one, and then you go over to the fridge. Fridge is nice because this is electric, 12 volt, and it's 11 cube. This gives you, for RV fridges, gives you a lot of storage space in this one. So right now it is actually getting cold in there, and it's running off my battery box. We're not even plugged in. So that's great. The inverter will run this for a long time, so while you're driving, similar to the propane fridges, it will stay nice and cold while you're traveling because your vehicle will keep the battery charged, which will keep the fridge running. And there's even more space above. Look how deep that goes in there. You can put lots of stuff up there. That's we got a lot of storage in this camper over here. What we did on this camper is we actually put this big screen TV in. So, apologize. Big screen TV. It is on a swivel arm, so you could swivel it to any position for people sitting and watching. You have the radio, which is Bluetooth. It'll run the indoor-outdoor speakers, and you can pair your phone up to it, or iPads, or whatever you want to pair to it. Sit outside, play your music on the speakers out there, and change your music volume up and down instead of having to run in here every time you want to change it. And then you got electric fireplace on this. This will heat this common area up really nicely. So if you didn't want to run your furnace, you get up in the morning, you just want to take the chill out of the camper, run that for about an hour, and then it'll be nice and toasty in here. This one doesn't come with a dinette, it comes with freestanding, which is nice because you got lots of room to sit and sit in the chairs. You got even storage underneath each chair, so that you can place mats, napkins, and all that stuff. Now with the roof, you got all the LED lights, like I said, but the AC unit is ducted all the way through. So it's going to be evenly flow air going through from the front to back. That way your camper is going to stay nice and cool evenly, instead of just dumping in one area and then the bedroom gets hot. So you're going to be nice and cool throughout the whole camper. On the floor you have the heat ducts. So this is also keeps the floor warm, and it ducts into the basement, like I was saying, outside, where it blows the hot air in the basement. So that way you can extend your seasons. If you want to camp in freezing weather, your camper will stay warm. One thing that you got to remember though is when you camp in the cold weather, you have to keep your furnace on and plugged in. Otherwise, your pipes could freeze. So if you turn it off and leave for a week or so, you're running that chance of actually having some freeze damage. So for it to work, you have to have the camper, the furnace going on this. A little windy outside, so we're going to put this awning in while we is motion sense light. So that's right by the door. This light will go on. So if you're cold, if you're out doing hiking and stuff, and you get back when it's dark outside, that light will turn on and all that. And what we got here, I'll go in the bathroom here. So you got a nice porcelain sink, a little fancy upgrade on this. GFI plugs in this, so if you ever lost power or something tripped out, you would just reset the GFI here. And most of them are going to be in the bathrooms. And then you got a medicine cabinet. Again, this is a motion sense light in this one, and then you got a regular light or you got two motion lights in this one actually. I didn't realize that. But as you come in, the lights will turn on. That way you don't have to stump around and look for it. Then you have storage under here, little cubby holes for towels and maybe washcloths, and then porcelain toilet, which is a nice upgrade instead of the plastic. And then you got your shower, which is plenty of room in here. You got a skylight above to keep it nice and bright in here. You got a seat, and then your wand for the hot and cold water. And this is, even in the bathroom, has that vent for the AC, and then right underneath the shower, that's the heater. So either way, you're going to keep this bathroom temperature controlled just like everything else. We'll go back in the bedroom here. Oh, by the way, another big window for the hallway. So you can open this up, again, get more cross breeze. I'll show the slide controls too here. I forgot about these. So you got your awning control, you got your main slide, you got your other slide out, and then these are just LED lights throughout the camper. So it's right by the door as you come in. This is for your, and this is for your bedroom slide. And then bar here. You also have access to that storage compartment here too. And you can see that aluminum framing. That's the framing they use throughout the whole camper. So it's going to be nice, sturdy, lightweight framing on this. And then, of course, the doors will latch as you close. And just the other side here. Down below, there's a plug here. That's your fuse and circuit. The door here. Just checking under here. Messing the bed up. Was there any questions?
It says not pass.
Okay.
Okay, you're good.
All right. So yeah, the pass-through storage, it doesn't go all the way through on this one. It stops in the middle because you got your tank controls on the other side. So they don't give you that big pass-through storage. Plus you got the big wardrobe closet in the front. So that takes away from your storage compartment area too. You are pre-equipped for a second AC. This is pre-wired, so you can drop in another AC unit. That's why this one's a 50 amp service, not a 30. So if you wanted to, you could add one. That's only if you're really in the hot states. Here in New York, I don't think you really need it. But if you're in Texas or Arizona, somewhere that's hot all the time, you would definitely need a second AC at that point. Any other questions?
That was the only one we had.
Okay. Yeah, that went pretty quick. Feel free, give us a call. Again, we're open. We're doing it by appointment only. We stage campers where we can, and stage the campers to the side. We wipe them down, make sure we disinfect them and everything else. If you call us, please call the 716-694-0188, and please like and share this video. The more shares we have, the more opportunity we can help people out here. Again, business is picking up, which is great. We are looking for used trades too. We're getting a lot of first-time buyers right now. So if you have a trade, we're paying pretty top-notch dollar for trades right now. So keep that in mind. Come see us. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment on this later. We have people monitoring our Facebook page here, so we can answer your questions at any time. Again, my name is Matt Smith. I'm one of the outfitters here, and we're happy to help you out. Have a great day and stay safe out there.